Welcome to the 15th session of the Entity Framework Code 2.0 tutorials. In this session, we will see how to execute the store procedure with the Entity Framework Code 2. I am already written the script for the to store procedure. I am already executed it. This script is available in the description. If you need it, you can download it. GetBook procedure will take the optional ID as a parameter. If the ID is present, then it will return the book of that only ID. Otherwise, it will return the all of the books. And delete book store procedure will take the optional ID as a parameter. If ID is greater than 0, then it will delete the book of that ID and also return the number of affected rows. Let's switch to the Visual Studio and create a new action. Name SP demo. Create a try catch block. Exception x return x dot message. Write the where books equal to context dot book dot from SQL. And here write the name of the store procedure, that is get books, and its a parameter, that is ID. From SQL method, take the params array of the parameter, so we can pass the SQL parameter. Here our parameter name is the ID, and write the ID and convert it to the list. So we can loop through it. Create a string builder. Data equal to new string builder. For each book in the books, data dot append line book dot title, and the return data dot toString. Save and build the project. Open the our SP demo action. Here we got the book title of the all of the book that exists in the our database. Here we are use the from SQL. Another way is use the ADO.NET like syntax. Let's comment this first. Now we will call our delete book action. For that we must require the ID. So I am checking for the if ID less than equal to the 0, then return enter book ID. Else obtain the connection. For that write the context dot database dot get connection. We need to open the connection and obtain the command from create command and send the command text equal to our store procedure name, that is the delete books. Remove that unnecessary words and set the command type to the store procedure. And we also need to add the parameters. Let's add the new SQL parameter ID and pass its value, that is ID, and call the command dot execute non-query, which will return the number of affected row. For that, write the result equal to this and check that the result greater than the 0, then return deleted successfully, else return book with given ID does not exist. Save it and run and reload this page. You can see that it generated the error enter book ID because it was a compulsory ID equal to 1. You can see that the book with the ID 1 does not exist because we have already deleted this in our previous example. Let's delete the popular book 14. So write the 14. You can see that it was deleted successfully. And let's again execute. Now there are no book with the ID 14. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First way to call the store procedure is use the from SQL of the DB set, in which we are passing the name of the procedure, and we can also pass the optional SQL parameter to the its params array. And another way is use the ADO.NET like syntax, in which we are obtaining the connection, create a command, set the command text type and the parameter, and call its execute non-query method. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.